This is it. He is the one. So if you've ever had that feeling, in this video I want to talk about to tell if a situation or a person is an energetic match with you. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to talk about how to tell if a situation or a person is an energetic match for you. I know in one of my videos prior, I talked about how to tell if they're not an energetic match, or how if a situation is not an energetic match with you. And in this video, I want to talk about how to tell if they are the one, or not even the one, but if they're a good fit for you, or they're an energetic match for you, or if the situation is an energetic match for you. So in this video, in my prior video, I talked about how to tell if someone's not an energetic match with you, which I've probably had more experience with, which is so bad to say. Anyways, so in this video, I want to talk about how to tell if someone or something is an energetic match for you. And so all the things that people talk about, like our souls collided and we saw sparks and we had sparks, those are actual things, and that is actually being in an energetic match with someone or something. And so in this video, I want to talk about how you can tell if you're in an energetic match with that person or that thing in your life. So the first point that I want to say in this video is that you're drawn to each other. It's true, opposites do attract, and it's that energetic opposite. And it's that polarity where you actually are magnetically drawn to each other. And if you've ever been in a situation and something was just drawn to you, there were so many synchronicities that led up to you, that situation being presented to you, or that person coming up to you, chances are it's an energetic match for you. And that's the beautiful thing about polarity and opposites, is that they actually do attract. You feel drawn to this person for some reason or another, and it's because you guys are opposites, but together your polarity, it's magic. It's magic, and that's a beautiful thing. And I've seen that, and this doesn't even have to be romantic relationships or anything romantic at all. Actually, it could be with a friendship, it can be with a business opportunity where you're looking to work with someone and they are just an energetic match with you because you guys are opposites. And that is a beautiful thing, because if someone is more in their feminine energy, where they're more creative and more about creation, and the other person's more in their masculine energy and they actually execute and get things done, that is a perfect match. Like, you have someone that's more of a visionary type of person and the other person actually executes it and gets it done. That is an energetic match. And so those polarities of the masculine energy and the feminine energy, the more feminine energy, is an amazing thing. So you'll feel drawn to each other magnetically. And that's how to tell if you're an energetic match with that person or opportunity. And so the second point that I want to talk about in this video is how to tell if someone's an energetic match with you, is like when you guys are together, you feel full. Now, if someone's not an energetic match with you, typically you feel drained. That is that drained feeling because they take your energy versus fueling you and giving you more energy, which is a beautiful, beautiful thing. When you are an energetic match with someone, you get more energy. They fuel you to do more. And so you have more energy. You just feel full all the time, which is just an amazing thing. And you feel like you can conquer the world. And I just love that. Like, if you can feel, because there's some certain situations, especially if they're not an energetic match, you feel drained, you feel defeated. And this way, and in this situation, when you are an energetic match with someone, you feel like you can just take on the whole world. You have so much energy, you feel full, your cup runneth over. And so when you feel that kind of energy, chances are you are an energetic match with that person or situation. So the third point that I want to make in this video, to tell if someone's an energetic match with you, is that you guys can be in silence. Like that. You can be silent together. And like I said, this doesn't have to be a romantic relationship or anything like that. It could be a friendship or a partnership, a business partnership or something like that. But when you feel so comfortable with someone, you can actually be silent together. And you're like, that's weird. Why would you bring that up? Because you're an energetic match with one another, that you feel so comfortable with one another that you can be silent with one another. And the fact is, if someone is not an energetic match, they oftentimes, especially when it comes to silence, because silence makes people uncomfortable, and so they're always talking or making small talk. But when you can actually be still with someone or a situation, that means you're an energetic match, because your energy just makes each other feel so comfortable enough that you can actually be in silence with one another and be quiet. And you can actually be quiet. And like I said, for a lot of people that are not an energetic match with you, silence makes them feel uncomfortable because they're not resonating with you on the same level. And so when you're in an energetic match with someone and you're resonating on the same level, silence doesn't make you feel uncomfortable. It actually makes you feel comfortable with someone when they're on the same energetic level as you. So I hope you enjoyed those points. Being in an energetic match with someone or something is a beautiful thing, and you can definitely tell typically right off the bat. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. I'm also the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and or experience. I'm also the CEO of the Censored Apparel brand, and you can find out more about that in the links below. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will check you in the next video. Peace.